After 20 years of wearing contacts, believe me when I say that I have tried every contact solution out there, and Bausch Lomb's Biotrue is my favorite. The reason I love this is that I can spray it directly onto my contacts when I need to clean them and just stick them right in my eye without any concern, unlike some of the solutions like the hydrogen peroxide ones or other ones that have a lot of preservatives in them. This one is very clean. It is a really lovely solution that does not irritate my eyes in any way. In fact, my eyes feel more hydrated when I use this solution. Now, I am currently wearing dailies. I've been wearing dailies for about 5 years, and I love using this when my contacts feel gritty, when they have a cat hair or something on them, and I need to pop them out and clean them. I love this for that. But you can also use this long term if you're wearing weeklies or monthlies. It works wonderfully for that as well. The only other contact solution I love is the hydrogen peroxide version of contact solutions, but that is only for the weeklies and the monthlies and only for overnight. So even when I was using the hydrogen peroxide solutions, I still kept a bottle of Biotrue around as I still needed that solution on hand for those quick moments when I need to clean my contacts. This is the one that I trust, that I love, that works great in my eyes and doesn't have as much preservatives or things I don't want in it. I really love it. I definitely recommend Biotrue.